Today's makeup is a casual, elegant makeup with some soft eyelining. Never do makeup on a dry face. Make sure you moisturize really well because we're going to do concealer and just powder foundation. I have dry skin and powder foundation is absolutely fine and light if you apply it with a light hand. And that won't make it feel dry. Blend your concealer out. Everything blends well right now because your face is actually very moisturized. Now see, here I'm using my powder foundation. Don't use the sponge which is in the box. Use a brush and apply it lightly all over, which will even your skin out, and it's perfect for daily makeup. Always use less product and take more only when needed. And this has to be used in a light manner. Set your eyebrows with a gel. If you need to draw them, go for it. Now take a neutral eyeshadow, absolute neutral eyeshadow and a fluffy brush and apply it on your upper eyelid till your crease line. If you have hooded eyes, take it beyond up and put a little on your outer lower lash line. This will contour your eyes. Now here's how I do my eyelining. Take a kajal and apply it absolutely close to your lash line. There should not be any gap, neither does it need to be neat. If your hand is not steady for liquid liner, this is the best way to do it. Now take a pencil brush of any brand or a smudge brush and just smudge out that kajal and see how it looks. Considering I share my personal daily makeup, you'll hardly see me use liquid eyeliners. Not only because I don't get the wing right, once I get the correct hack, I will share it, but this is how I line my eyes. When you smudge the kajal, how thick you want your lining is up to you. While you smudge, you decide that. Now take any dark brown eyeshadow and a thin angle brush and just stamp it on your lower lash line, outer lower lash line, and don't smudge it. It's going to be a very subtle line. Definitely complete your eye makeup with a good mascara. A lot of people are scared to use mascara because of the removal. Just use baby oil and baby wipes, it'll all come off. But for daily makeup and regular makeup or your personal makeup, it is absolutely more practical to use mascara than false eyelashes. At the beginning of your makeup, make sure you have a lip balm on. I always line and fill out my lips with a nude lip liner. This makes my lipstick stay longer. Then use a darker lip liner or an appropriate lip liner that will go with the lipstick that you will use. I use my own personal makeup. I am a hoarder, I have loads, and I share the technique. Please use brands of your own choice. Just go with the easy techniques I share. I'm using a neutral matte lipstick. I will add a gloss later. You can definitely skip that step. A blush is a must for me so that the face does not look flat. If you use the blush in the angle that I'm using it, you don't need to contour, as I'm not even contouring in this look. I'm using a cream blush because I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, use a powder blush. As usual, always take less product and add more if needed. As I said, I'm using a lip gloss. You can skip this step if you want your lips to be matte. I love highlighters, so I'm going to use a very light highlighter. The last step is I'm going to touch up my powder foundation wherever required. Set your makeup with a spray and you're good to go. I'll see you soon with some more easy looks that I do on myself regularly. Try them and take care.